Here with good ingestions. It's officially the last day of winter. So as promised, we're going to make that cup of hot Nutritarian cocoa. It's guilt-free and absolutely delicious. You're going to need a blender. I'm using my Vitamix today. You'll take 1/4 cup of almond milk, or really any kind of non-dairy milk that you like would be fine. 1 cup of water. You'll want 2 of these MEDJOOL dates. They always come with pits inside, so you want to make sure you get that pit out of there. If you're not using a high-powered blender, you might want to soak the dates in warm water or microwave them for a little bit to soften them up. Then you're going to need some non-alkalized cocoa powder, and how you can tell is just read the ingredients. If it just says cocoa, you're good. That's what you want. So you'll need a tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of non-alkalized cocoa powder. You'll want to blend this, moving gradually up to medium speed for about 20 seconds. Now that the dates are broken up, you want to blend on high speed for 20 more seconds. That's finished blending. So then you'll want to get a small saucepan, turn on the heat to about medium, pour in your cocoa, and you'll just want to heat that for a few minutes until it's really fragrant and steamy, but not boiling. There, that's done. This makes 2 servings. Now just pour it in your mug and enjoy. This cocoa is super comforting and delicious. You might want to try this to say goodbye to winter. It's just that easy. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure and hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below, and also if you have any ideas for videos, let me know. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.